YouTube Nation, for your success here, your favorite hiking professor, Dr. Brandon 4. If you've seen another video of me hiking Redcloud and Sunshine, you've seen this before. But this time, I'm off to Handies Peak. I hiked Redcloud and Sunshine yesterday, and I've got another beautiful day. Let's get to it. I'll be hiking the Grizzly Gulch trail to Handies Peak. Just in between some tree lines, and that's Handies. Just getting past tree zone now. Look at all the wildflowers. They're kind of early this year, but it's warm. It's a beautiful day. Calling for highs in the mid-50s on the summit. There is a fire in Durango. It's not smoky right now, but they're calling for it to be smoky in the afternoon. So I'm hiking this in the morning to get the good views at the summit. Once again, my hat, tip of my hat to all the volunteer firemen and firewomen battling that and every blaze that just seems to happen in June in the southwest of the U.S. See the marmot on the trail? Look at all the wildflowers. What a day. Ladies and gentlemen, Handies Peak, 14,048 feet, and an unbelievable second day. Oh my goodness. That's Sunshine and Redcloud that I hiked yesterday. That's the route I came up. Took me just over 2 hours to reach the summit today. Uncompadre and Wetterhorn in the background. What a blessing to be up here. Are you kidding me? Hardly any wind, sunny skies. But off in the distance, I do want to point it out, that is smoke. And it's going to get smoky today from that terrible fire in Durango. Boy, I can't believe how calm and peaceful it is on top of a 14er. Two things I normally would not say from summiting, but it's just gorgeous and a blessing to be up here today. Oh, man. This is what being in Colorado is all about. Getting out and appreciating nature. You don't even have to hike a 14er to really appreciate the beauty of Colorado. But I will say, there's nothing like being on the tallest mountain in the ranges around you. He's just waiting for me to feed him. A lot of marmots running all over the place down here. Look at this, there's just so many. And it's everywhere. There's just pockets of them all over the place, wherever there's water running or water sitting from the snow melt. Man, it's just incredible, and I'm so glad I could share it with you. Boy, this was a great hike for my 73rd 14er. And I mentioned it on my other hike, but I've done a lot of traveling and I've been so blessed doing some international fundraising work. I was in Australia. I hiked Kosciuszko, the tallest peak in Australia. It was just such a incredible experience and such a wonderful journey. And I've spent quite a bit of time in Europe, mostly in Italy, Switzerland, and France. But I gotta tell you, when I was in those places, including Switzerland, and it was gorgeous, and Europe is just a fabulous place. So is Australia. All I was thinking about is I cannot wait to come back and do this and hike here, because there is nothing like Colorado in the summertime. Wow, with a slight breeze and everything blooming, the forest smells so good. Or as I like to say, ooh la la. All done with Handies Peak. What a exceptional hike. The wildflowers were incredible. Honestly, all three hikes, Sunshine, Redcloud, and Handies, I love them. Handies I really specifically enjoyed today because of the wildflowers. So much gratitude about being able to hike these. My 73rd 14er. Hope you can feel that and share that with others, you know, about the beauty of nature that we've got. And wherever you're at, go out and experience it. And if you got a chance, get to Colorado and see for yourself. Hey, share this video with friends and family. And if you want to learn more about me, you can learn more at my last name is Foor. That's foryoursuccess.com. And I'm also on Instagram and Twitter at foryoursuccess. So for the last time here and just outside of Lake City, Colorado, I'm For Your Success, your favorite hiker professor, Dr. Brandon Foor. Get out and appreciate some nature, or if you can, get out to Colorado. Till the next time, take care.